This is very important announcement. So, baka napansin nyo, no, na yan, binago ni Dev yung pangalan ng group na Bull Run. Okay? So, ito yung group ng Bull Run before. I'm still the admin. Kaya, pinin ko yung dito. Ayan. Kasi si Dev ay maglo-launch nung another project. So, since he's a developer and it's not his main project, okay? Unlike sa OP Bull natin na talagang nakafocus na si Dev sa OP Bull. So, dito kay Bull Run, guys, don't worry about that. Kung meron mang ilo-launch itong si Mariam or si Dev na bagong project niya, don't worry kasi we're not going to join his BNB project. Okay? We already have OP Bull and alam naman natin, no, dito sa community natin, hindi tayo puro launch lang. Okay? Kailangan nating mag-focus. So, we have a commitment. No, kung ano yung project na napili natin, doon tayo nakafocus. So, wag kayong mag-alala, kahit naman binago na ni Dev ng Bull Run, he's still with us. Okay? Nag-usap na kami, sabi ko, all we want is your support. As long as nandyan naman si Bull Run, alam naman natin na it is built in the smart contract and whatever happens, it will stay forever. Okay? Wala namang access si Mariam doon and end of the day, meron pa rin siyang pakinabang kung i-workout natin to kasi siya naman si 001 talaga. So, siya yung number 1. So, it means, pag win-workout natin si Bull Run at nag-trending na ulit siya, so, kikita pa rin siya. Siyempre, mas gusto pa rin niya yun, di ba? Sino ba naman na magta-turn down ng isang website? And by the way, kahit i-turn down niya yan, wala naman na siyang magagawa, kaya pa rin natin ipagpatuloy. Yun nga lang, syempre, kailangan pa rin natin ang website. Kailangan pa rin natin na nakikita yung user interface na to. 'Di ba? Kasi ang hirap naman say for example, nawala na tong website, 'di ba? Ang hirap makikipag-interact tayo through the contract lang. Medyo nakaka-boring, 'di ba? Kahit papano. So, don't worry about that. I made sure kay Mariam, no, kay developer, na we will still work out this project kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga siya, yung user interface niya, yung sistema niya, no, yung 55% and 45% direct referrals. So, parang feeling niya kasi nagkamali siya ng desisyon na gawing 55% ang dividends. So, ang naging comment niya dito is naging lazy daw yung kanyang mga leaders. Sabi ko, we're not lazy team. So, meron siya kasing mga leaders din, no, na ibang lahi. So, hindi na sila nag-workout. So, ang mga leaders niya ay pinag-interesan lang yung dividends. So, kaya naman nung launch nito, ay bumulusok talaga siya, 'di ba? Lumipad hanggang 800 or up to 1,000 in just one day. So, ngayon, sabi ko, I have my team na solid. Sabi ko sa kanya, we're not like that. Okay? As long as there's a group of people or team that willing to work out this project, yung dividend pool is nade-drain daw. Sabi ko, that's normal because people keep on withdrawing their dividends. Okay? There's 55% dividends and that's huge. Okay? So, if your leaders are just interested about the dividends, sabi ko sa kanya, then that's it. So, you don't have any more leaders. But we, in Team Babies, know we have commitment. And then, alam naman natin, no, I'm very confident when I focus on one project, I don't depend too much on other people, especially yung mga ibang lahi. 'Di ba? So, doon pa lang nakita na natin na hindi sila, weak sila. 'Di ba? Pang simula lang. Pero, I'm very confident kasi hindi naman kumbaga yung experience ko sa ganitong sistema, okay, pag-build is I'm experienced enough. Kasi sabi ko nga, since 2017, nagbi-build na talaga ako ng team. So, I have my team before, the Pempinas, na nakapag-build ako ng 37,000 na kasama na ibang lahi. And before that, okay, na-experience na namin na kami lang, mga Pinoy, mga leaders sa Philippines, okay, ang nag-workout ng project na yon. And there comes a time na nakita nila yung consistency and yung dedication namin to work out that project. So, ayun, bumulusok, sumabog. So, I know that will also happen here. At hindi lang naman din yun yung experience ko, no? I've been CEO of another project. Okay, if you heard about Fastcorp. So, I am a former CEO of Fastcorp. It's about forex trading. So, nakapag-build na rin ako dyan ng community. Kasama ko yung mga co-owners ko doon. Okay? And not only that, before Fastcorp, nakapag-workout na rin ako ng international project which is Tradera. Ayan. So, I created a lot of leaders as well at nagkaroon din ako ng mga downlines and leaders na ibang lahi din. So, ano yung punto ko dito? Okay? Hindi natin kailangang umasa sa mga ibang lahi para makapag-build ng isang strong community. Tayo mismo, as long as nandyan kayo, as long as I'm here, okay, especially me, I am not easily giving up. So, I'm experienced enough, guys, sa pag-build ng mga ganitong klaseng community. Okay? So, lalo ngayon, I'm more confident kasi hindi na lang akong mag-isa. Kundi nandyan kayo, andyan yung mga ibang top leaders na willing makipagtulungan. Okay? So, we're so lucky na meron tayong platform na ganito na wala na malayo sa scam, 'di ba? So, sabi ko nga, meron mang ito-launch si Dev kasi hindi naman ito yung Dev talaga na kakilala ko. Ang developer na talagang kilalang-kilala ko na is si Dev natin sa OP Bull. Okay? So, siya rin yung Dev natin sa Polka, sa BNB Cash, yan, sa BNB Jet. So, tested and siya talaga yung parang brother ko na developer. So, itong si Bullrun, okay, alam naman natin na bigla ko lang ginrab yung opportunity na to few days before the launch of OP Bull. Okay, nakita nyo naman, bigla ko lang siyang pinost. Kasi, ayun nga, kinontak ako ng dev na to and mabilis ang research lang. So, good thing naman is, syempre, marami po kasing kumukontak sa akin ng mga dev. Okay? And sa una pa lang, sa pag-uusap pa lang namin, nasa-sense ko na yung sinungaling, no? At saka yung merong mga hindi magandang pakay, 'di ba? So ito namang dev nito is nakita naman natin, 'di ba? Maganda yung project niya, talagang nag-trend nung launch day. Yun nga lang medyo napanghinaan siya na akala niya kasi ay mali yung decision niya sa dividends. And kasi maraming naglalabasan ng mga projects eh. So ako na mismo yung nagpapalakas sa loob niya na we're still here. I have a community, I have team leaders na willing to work this out. So, sabi ko, you can launch your other project, okay? Pero kung same lang din yan sa BNB at saka sa Polygon, we're out. Kasi we're already committed with Bullrun and ang hiling ko lang is yung support mo and i-keep mo pa rin yung website. Okay? So, okay naman sa kanya kasi nga, siya si number 1, 'di ba? So whatever happens with this project, end of the day siya yung number 1 na makikinabang kasi siya nga si 1, si 001, 'di ba? So ako naman ay nakadugtong lang sa kanya pero I'm also like 001 na rin kasi yun nga, ako na yung nagde-lead nito, ako na yung humahawak ng buong team natin, naglo-launch ng mga ganitong ng mga meetings and presentations. And sabi ko nga, I am more confident na mapapalago pa rin natin to. Okay? So, as long as nandyan si Deb para meron tayong mga katanungan, which is, wala naman tayong na-encounter na mali, no? And it's already deployed. So, pwede pa rin natin siyang gawin or i-work out. Okay? This is second to our best project, which is OP Bull. So, yun lang. Kasi, meron tayong mga community na more on Polygon sila. Gusto nila si Bullrun, okay? And meron din naman na mas gusto nila si OP Bull. So, kaya naman natin yung pagsabayin since these are two different networks naman and both are a perfect projects for us to generate Polygon and to generate more BNB. So, yun yung news ko sa inyo, guys. Ito kasi yung channel which is open also for chat, 'di ba? Kita naman natin. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko dito, okay? Pareho sila ni Dev, ni OP Bull Dev, na open ang group chat. Okay, ginawa niya nga akong admin dito. So, there's 3,855 members here. So, it means, this is Dev's group talaga. So, whatever projects na i-launch niya, he has all the rights na baguhin yan. Okay, so, ang sabi ko sa kanya, i-lead mo na lang yung mga members natin sa Bullrun na doon na lang mag-join dito sa group ko, which is yung Bullrun Team Baby Snow. So, ayan o, pinin-message ko pa. No? So, nag-message din ako na lahat ng Bullrun members, please join our official group here. So, ito yon. So, that's why, ililid na kayo dito, no? Kasi kung ibang dev yan, imumute na niya ako, tatanggalin na niya ako dito as an admin, diba? Tapos, hindi siya papayag na, ano. So, yun nga, intindihin na lang natin si Dev, may gusto rin siyang long-term project daw, pero, we're out. So, it's about BNB, and we all know meron na tayong BNB, 'di ba? So, kinausap niya ako kung gusto ko kung meron daw ako maisip na other projects, other network, i-suggest ko lang sa kanya at gagawin niya. So, we still good, guys. Dev is still with us, sabi ko nga. Pero since kailangan din niya ng ano, 'di ba? So, hayaan na natin. Okay? At the end of the day, we were still focusing and we will work out Bullrun. Alright? So, nothing to worry about. I'll keep you posted. And again, this is Baby Snow. Bye-bye.